Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can open multiple applications at the same time on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, open the first application you would like to open in multiple screen view. And for example, I'm going to open the calculator. So we can choose open the calculator application. And after that, we can tap on the recent button over here. And then we're going to click on this icon. Tap on the icon until this option appear on your screen. Then you're going to click on open in pop-up view. Okay, and you can minimize it like this. And if you want to open another application, you just need to do the same step. For example, I'm going to open my clock application. Then we're going to tap on the recent button, and after that we can tap on the clock icon like this and open in pop-up view. And I'm going to open the calculator. Okay, and we can move it. Make sure that you tap and hold on this blue line, then you can drag it like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can open multiple applications at the same time on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.